That's good. I don't want to ruin it. My mouth will adjust.
It's our first time here, so we don't know the name of the place. Trans Canada Brewing Company. Here, they have a brewing place here, you know, and a restaurant. It's more on pizzas, and we ordered pizza and churros. Churros, that's it. This is the vibe of the place. The pizza and then churros. We're going to a class. I'm so excited for this class. Very excited. Yeah. We're doing a pottery class today. It's so cute. I'm so excited.
So now, I want you to put all your stress and anger into this ball of clay. Throw it down nice and strong off the wheel. Oh, that's okay. You can just kind of move it to the center. Perfect. And then we're going to, without lifting it, we're going to push to the center. Try to use your tongs to push it or pull it. And now we don't want it to be a pancake. So we're just not a circle. So I want you to reshape it. Nice circle. And make sure it's in the center. And we always want to make sure we're adding a little bit of water so that our hands are wet and the clay is wet, and so that it moves smoothly through your hands. Okay? If you feel any friction, that's when you need to add a little bit more water. Because otherwise they'll stick to your hands and fall apart. Okay? Give that a go. You're going to add a little bit of water and turn on your wheels to a medium speed. Pushing inward.
Still trying to make it taller. This is how tall mine is now.
It might not be, but it might also just be that
Maybe a bowl. Mine looks like Josh's so far. I don't want to my mouth
turn on your wheel for me. Perfect, yeah. Leave it there. Once you're taking it off the wheel, then you guys can start to clean up. So we're Step one, clean up. Yeah, clean up.
Did you enjoy that? Did you like that?
All the extruders. I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay? So we're going to take this piece of pipe, hit it against the table, turning it every time to create this kind of long rectangular shape. We're going to start at the very end. But keep in mind there are two different kinds. One that has a tongue and one that does not. Okay? You want to push the tongue in if you use the one with the tongue to the top. Okay? Now we have tons of different shapes of extruders, and we'll change the shape here, which is super fun. So where I want the handle to be. I'm also going to carve into my handle. I forgot to grab one other thing. So we're going to use that's going to act like your glue. And make sure you hold on to the inside when you're attaching it. Okay, so you're pushing it into the wall. Also check from the bottom to see if it's nice and even. It's not going to be lopsided. We want to push the plate down into the wall. Make sure it's not going to fall off. Okay. It looks
That's my work. Oh, and this is Bella's work. Did you like the experience?
It was so much fun. We'll have to do it again.
I know. He said he wanted to do it on his birthday. It was super fun. I feel like it's kind of stressful, but it was fun. Morning, handsome. Are you ready for our brunch? It's Sunday brunch day. We just finished our workout. Now we're eating at a Filipino restaurant, Tito Boy. This is the sisig. This is the ube waffle. So that's like a lot of food. There's another sisig, but we told them that to just put it in to go box. And we have a juice there, the tamarind one. Wait for me. What did you get, Bebo?
A ceremonial matcha latte.
Wow.
Oh, with vanilla because I didn't want it to.
Bebo, ceremonial matcha tea latte. Look at the logo. It's so cute. And I got a London fog in their cup. It's really cute. Look. It's something that I would buy. London fog. And we're actually here because we're doing some Christmas stuff. The pictures that we ordered and had printed out, these, that we're going to be sending to our friends and family, and we have to write a message on it. So we thought of just going here and writing a message on it. Something that we would like our friends to have for Christmas this year. And it includes this, our faces, and of course, a message. We're taking a break right now. There's just so much cards to ride on. There's so many, look.
Josh has too many friends.
party and New Year's